it's Jomar Makinay. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Ito Blasters MNL para i-review yung lahat ng units na yan. Para alam nyo na kung ano yung dapat nyo bilhin. First, this is the Sten Mark II. And it has braids. It's very beautiful. It is metal. So it's really heavy. It's I can say if it's a perfect replica, but it's a replica. You can hear it. Really nice for the trades. Only this one. Features. It has a magazine prime. It has a very limited battery capacity. Or here, you press the button, so you can remove this. And this is the very limited battery capacity. But then again, why would you upgrade this? This is for display or what do you call that one? The cosplayers. Because it's a very nice unit. It's only full auto. Oh, there's a semi here. Full auto, semi-safe. Although it comes with 2 max. And the magazine release is here. So it's not for the left-handed. I'm left-handed. Usually for the right-handed. Oh. And this magazine is spring tight. So you put your gels here, you put it here, and you press. And that's it. Since this comes with 2 magazines, it's probably enough for cosplaying or shooting other things. This comes also with built-in hop-up. So range is fine. So this is 260 FPS. And there's a lock. It feels so nice. Weight is around 1.7 kilograms, so it's a little bit heavy. So I don't know if it's fine for children, but let's see. This is probably Metal Gear box also, so it's really heavy. So the only problem is I don't know the nozzle yet. So I don't know if you can upgrade this to the max. But most probably the parts will be limited, so do not put it in max. Just it's already Metal Gear box, so what else would you like to change on this one? Capacity. Since this is spring type, the baby capacity is here. But once you reach into the last part, it's not fitting that well, so keep that in mind. If it's not firing, get a new mag. It's hard. Range, we will be doing a firing later. Since this has a hop-up, it's probably we can reach more than 10 meters. We do have, this is 10 meters now. Okay. The price of this one is around 7,000 pesos. Here in Ito Blasters MNL, this has a limited quantity. Only 3 pieces. Wala pa. None yet has been sold. This is still 3. Okay. There's a cosplayer who already have one. So there's still 3 remaining. So if you want this one, this is your chance. This will not last long. Overview. it, this is not for everybody, but if you like World War II guns, or you're a cosplayer, this is very wonderful. It really feels really solid. So that's more or less it. If you have any comment, suggestions, pilot reactions, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below, and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!